Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to connect Kucoin with Google Authenticator. Now, let's get started. First, launch the Kucoin mobile app and log into your account as usual. Once you're logged in, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. Then, look for Security and tap on it. In the security settings, find Google Verification and tap on it. A message will appear, informing you that changing or unbinding Google 2FA will temporarily disable withdrawals, P2P transactions, and red packets for 24 hours. Simply tap on Confirm to proceed. If you already have Google Authenticator set up, just copy the verification code from the app and paste it here. If you're setting it up for the first time, you'll see a QR code and a private key. Copy the private key, as you'll need it in the next step. Open the Google Authenticator app on your phone. Tap on Add a new account and select Enter a setup key. Paste the private key, then name the account as Kucoin for easy reference. You'll now see a 6-digit code generated by Google Authenticator. Go back to the Kucoin app, tap Next, and paste the 6-digit code you copied from Google Authenticator. Finally, tap on Activate to complete the setup. That's how you connect Kucoin with Google Authenticator. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.